As I do with all my sheet goods, I first broke down the sheet of plywood into smaller, more manageable pieces. Then I could take them to the table saw and cut all the parts to their final sizes. Next, I used glue and brad nails to assemble the 4 legs. Then I attached a long rail to 2 of the leg assemblies using some clamps as an extra set of hands. Then I repeated the process for the other legs and long rail. Then I could attach the short rails in the same fashion using clamps, glue, and brad nails. After that, I assembled the base of the lower shelf with simple butt joints, glue, and brad nails. Then I laid down a bead of glue and attached the shelf to the base. With the table flipped upside down on my table saw, I clamped some scrap pieces of plywood to the insides of the legs to act as spacers so I could position the shelf where I want it. After applying some glue, I secured the shelf into place with brad nails. With the shelf in place, I placed the table on the floor right side up and put some glue on top. Then I put the top on and secured it with brad nails. I'm pretty sure I shot about 4 million brad nails into this thing. I don't know, I lost count at 12. Okay, so here it is, the final assembly. This table was a blast to make. I'm telling you, 1 sheet of plywood and you can have yourself a nice assembly table, outfeed table, whatever you want to use it for, table, workbench, whatever, plus the shelving underneath. It's pretty awesome. So, and it was very easy to do. All I did was I went to Jay Bates' site and I got the template for it, or the plans for it, and I just followed that. One sheet of plywood and I got myself a workbench. Assembly table is what I'm going to use it for. I'll probably use it as an outfeed table as well, and as you'll notice, it's not entirely level right now, but that's because, well, you know, everybody's workshop floor is not entirely level. And that's the case with mine too. And a thing I may do later on is to build some sort of a shelving or cabinet space down below on that lower shelf so that I can have a little bit more storage for whatever I need storage for. That's it for this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Like I said, this was a really fun project to do. Big shout out to Jay Bates and April Wilkerson for the design for this thing. It was an awesome build. I really enjoyed myself doing this one. And if you haven't done so already, I encourage you to go like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. Till next time, we'll see you later.